In this video, we'll be building our first example of streams. So let's create a new package, and the package name is stream. So we'll be creating it inside com.modernjava. So click right, new, and then package. And the package name is com.modernjava.streams. And inside this streams, new Java class, and the Java class name is stream example. So in this stream example, let's create PSVM, public static void main, and what we'll be doing in this example is we'll be creating a map of names and courses of instructors who teaches online and have more than 10 years of experience. So let's see how we do this with streams. So streams also work with predicates. So let's define our predicate for online courses and the second predicate where years of experience is more than 10. So let's create a predicate of instructor, and then sp1 equal to I, and I dot is online courses. So this will check whether instructor teaches online. Now let's create a second predicate, and this predicate is instructor, and p2 is equal to I, and I dot get years of experience is greater than 10. So this checks for the condition where instructor has more than 10 years of experience. Now let's get a list of instructor. List of instructor list is equal to instructor dot get all. So this get all method will return us a list of instructors, and these are the 5 instructors which will be in that list. Now what we need to do is that we need to define a map, because we are creating a map of names and courses of instructors. So we'll define a map, and the map is string and list of string, because courses is list of string. So let's look into this again. Map courses is arrays.asList, and it's a list of strings. And then map is equal to list dot as a stream, list dot stream, and we'll be applying filter, filter. You look at the filter definition, then it takes a predicate. So we already have defined the predicate p1. So this will filter out instructor with online courses, and now we'll apply one more filter, and this is the second filter where it will filter out instructors with years of experience more than 10, and then afterwards we will collect them in a map. So collectors dot to map. So this collectors dot to map will basically return a map. So to map, and inside this map, let's look at the definition of this map function. It basically to map, it takes two functions. So the functions are basically keys and values which we need to provide. So instructor, and it basically gave me the method reference to all those instructor methods which are available. So here what we'll do is that we'll select get name, and the second one is instructor get courses. And then afterwards we'll print out that. So let's look into these methods again. So filter, go to filter. So filter takes predicate. So we have those predicates P1 and P2 which are defined and they are applied as an argument. And then afterwards let's look into collectors.toMap. So toMap return a collector that accumulates elements into a map. So it will accumulate all those elements into map whose keys and values are the results of applying the provided mapping function to the input element. So here what we are saying is that this is the key, this is the value, and this .toMap will collect into a map, and this map will be assigned to this map. And then afterwards we are printing out map. Now let's run this example. You can see that it printed out Syed with a list of courses and then Anthony with list of courses.